The Des Plaines River flows south for 133 miles within the Chicago region from southern Wisconsin to northern Illinois, covering 1,455 square miles that evolved from a grassland creek into a major industrial waterway. In 2016, the Illinois Environmental Protection Agency tested 14 different segments within 241 miles of the river's streams and concluded that 12 of the 14 tested locations resulted in water quality impairment. These factors negatively impacted marine life in the water, fish consumption, and water-based recreational activities. Because of this, we are choosing to fight back and take a step in the right direction to help clean our river. After brainstorming and working for a solution, we here at Triton College are proud to present to you Qualitas.
A design is meant to act as a portable water quality testing device. The main aspiration behind our design is that the device to be portable, simple to use, and cost effective. Our main focus with the build is to have few components so the overall cost is kept very low and also very effective to use. Portability was ensured by using probes that can easily connect from the device, which allows for ease of storage, transport, and setup. We hope to see this design successfully test the water quality of the Des Plaines River. Our secondary goal is to distribute the design as an open source format so it can be utilized all over the world and easily reproduced or modified as needed. Even though the secondary goal is going to be difficult to accomplish, we can start by focusing on our local community as a starting point and hopefully expand after that.
There were a lot of considerations that we had to take when thinking about what sensors we had to use, picking up pH level, fecal matter, other different contaminants in the water. One of the big considerations that we had to take as a team was electroconductivity in the water, because in the Des Plaines River, a lot of road salt gets washed into the river. And what happens is in the water, the electrostatic bonding of different salts and how they get dissolved in water. Because of the polarity of water, the actual ions themselves that are contained inside of the salts will actually dissolve and separate themselves from each other in solution. And what this causes is the water to conduct electricity. And these pollutants can have very serious effects on wildlife, specifically chloride. Much of road salt is calcium chloride or sodium chloride, and these chloride ions can be detrimental to the health of specifically fish, and they can also cause different corrosive issues inside of the waterways because of the way that chloride compounds react with different rocks and organic molecules. From this and other considerations, our group was able to determine what would be the best manner to pursue testing and using field equipment that would not get destroyed in the field and wouldn't have to be completely replaced in a very short amount of time.
We chose the Des Plaines River for our testing because, again, it's local to our area and it means a lot to all of us because it's the point of all of our recreation activities. I'm also constantly seeing other locals fishing and rowing their canoes down the rivers. It affects all the marine life that obviously resides in the river, and we want to make sure that our river is always at the best quality possible.